Welcome to my channel Amazing Dubai. This vehicle is in service station and going to be washed automatically with automatic machine. In this video I am gonna to show two kind of washing service, vehicle washing service. One is automatic and second one is manual. Manual might be everybody knows washing, automatic washing maybe somebody is knows. So in this video you can see that very easy there is a machine. In this machine just drop the car, switch on the wheel and the machine started to washing. Machine putting water and also cleaning properly like human, rotating in clockwise and anti-clockwise. Light is very noisy. Maybe there is very noisy and due to some noises my voice is not clear. Welcome to all viewers. If you go to all, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so you will not miss any of new videos. This vehicle was very busy and now it's become dark. Now this time is pre-wash. Before washing with soap and after that again pre-wash. Now the car is still at the same place. Do not think the car is moving. No, car is not moving. Only the machine is moving. This is called by new technology. Now washing complete and started down here. Every time the vehicle dashboard and now the vehicle there is water. So this machine is started to dry. Then we see this car will go traveling going outside for training and the training inside. The outside going to the same part and clean everything. Now the will sitting inside car. And machine having green signal. So the car washing is finished. Within 4 to 5 minutes car washed and dry already. There is no more water. Now this time I'm going to show in this video is manual wash. One vehicle is up on air jet. Is washing from down. Manual washing takes long time and needs more human. Needs more labor and time. But automatic washing machine is so easy. fast service, quick service. In manual service, there is two users. One is off already, and that and it is soap and now cleaning, and the second is washing from inside. In manual washing, there is hot pressure and washing gun. This is not normal water gun. This is too much pressure water gun. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel, like and do comment. Share with your family and friends. Send me an email with any suggestion. And if you're looking job in Dubai, send me an email. I will help. Basically, in this video, I'm going to show different service. One is manual washing service, one is automatic. So first, start automatic and second one manual. Now this one is finish cleaning this soap and start it to wash. Relieving pressure and the just will button. It is very noisy and due to some noisy my voice is not clear. That is digital going down and this is pressure service made already after services. I hope you like video. Subscribe and click on the like for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.